When she came into the office first, she was in trouble. And you know she was in trouble because here you've got someone that's extraordinarily independent, very active, looking forward to enjoying life with a huge and supportive family. And now her quality of life had gone.
My name is Darian Tymes, and I'm 80 years old.
She's a go-getter. She's always been going.
I find somewhere to go, something to do every day. Go wherever I want to go and do whatever I wanted to do.
So when she started complaining that she was slow of breath, we started paying more attention to her.
If I walk from here to the other room, I'd get tired, I'd give out of breath. I had to stop and rest in between.
She had been going all along to see a cardiologist. And finally, her doctor said, "How did you see this other doctor?" So that was how she met Dr. Ahmed, through her regular doctor in Birmingham.
By the time she got over to ours, she was struggling to get through a normal day.
She had had open heart surgery before, and it took such a toll on her body. She did not want to go through the open heart process again.
I asked him, I said, "Well, are they got to cut my chest open again?" He said, "No." He says it's just a simple little procedure. And after he said that and told me how he was going to do it, I said, "Okay, I'm ready."
When you tell someone we're going to replace your valve, what they think is you're going to go into a hospital. You're going to be in an operating room for several hours. There's many people who don't want to sign up for that. Then you tell people about TAVR. There is no long recovery period. We expect people to have the procedure, go home, and get on with their lives very quickly.
He walked me through the procedure. He told me what to expect and what not to expect.
She understood the risks, the benefits, the approach, asked very good questions, and immediately wanted to move forward.
When we went to the hospital for the procedure, I talked to my two daughters that went with me, and we prayed and we talked about it. So when the nurse got me, I gave them thumbs up, so I'll see you when I get back.
We were naturally concerned, but we also felt secure in what was going to happen because it had been explained so thoroughly.
I was not nervous. I was not scared. I was completely relaxed.
When we talked to Mrs. Tymes about which valve to use and what we ended up using, we want something where the blood flow is optimized, where the valve can be the largest it can be, where we feel it's going to be a long and durable result, where this can be put in safely, where we don't have to stress the heart too much in that process. It can be done reproducibly. It can be positioned very accurately. All that kind of stuff was done. In the Evolut system, which we used in Mrs. Tymes, this allowed us to do a complex valve-in-valve procedure with the most minimal of fuss in a very controlled environment.
Once he finished with the TAVR, it was wonderful. Since that time, every day has gotten better and better, and fortunately she's better, but now we can't keep up with her sometimes.
I can walk, I can dance, I can cook, drive, basically do anything I want to do.
Now it's amazing. You get to see that wonderful person come in, their quality of life restored, they're back to their normal life.
She was just all excited, like a young child almost all over again. She was just so excited. The energy level was back. She can go where she wanted to go. We didn't have to go with her. We didn't have to assist her with anything. So she has a quality of life that she's used to. It's just a relief off for all of us now.
As important as it is to create new valve technologies and have valves that last longer and valves that are more minimally invasive, those things are not very helpful if we're not providing access to everyone.
I'm just grateful that I've got 99% of my health and my strength back from the procedure I had to do what I want to do. I'm independent. I don't expect my kids to live with me and take care of me. I do it all myself and love it.
So the TAVR was an excellent idea, and it has worked perfectly. She hasn't had any complaints. She had no side effects, so we were just shouting the praises of Dr. Ahmed and his team after that TAVR procedure.
TAVR is our new best friend. She's back to normal. Yeah, she's back to normal. Yay.
I'm really looking forward to getting up, getting on me a plane, or a car, or a bus, or train, and just go, go, go. At 80 years old, I think I'm entitled to enjoy the rest of my life. I've worked hard all of my younger days. I raised my 5 children, 6 of my grandchildren as my own, and I feel like I'm entitled to do whatever I want to do. Live life to the fullest every single day. That's what I do.